Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use sea moss for hair growth. Sea moss is packed with nutrients that can significantly improve your hair's health and appearance. It's a simple, natural ingredient that supports stronger strands and a healthier scalp. We'll cover how to prepare it and apply it effectively for the best results. Get ready to transform your hair with this easy method. First, let's make the sea moss gel. Take about 1/4 cup of dried sea moss and rinse it very well under cool water to remove any debris. Then, soak the clean sea moss in a bowl of fresh water for 12 to 24 hours until it expands. Finally, blend the soaked sea moss with 1 cup of fresh water until it forms a smooth, gel-like consistency. It's that simple. Now, let's apply this nourishing mask. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of your freshly made sea moss gel and apply it evenly to your damp hair. Make sure to massage it thoroughly into your scalp, working your way down to the ends of your hair strands. Once applied, leave the mask on for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate deeply. After the mask has done its work, rinse your hair thoroughly with cool water until all the gel is removed. You'll notice your hair feels softer and looks shinier. For best results, incorporate this sea moss hair mask into your routine 1 to 2 times weekly. Consistency is key for seeing significant improvements in hair growth and overall health. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book on money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.